Yo, what up YouTube, it's me, Papa G from What's Up, everybody. So today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new, boom, Samsung Galaxy Buds Live in the color bronze. So if you guys are ready for this video, please make sure to like this video because it does help me a bunch. And let's get this going. Alright, so we do have the Samsung Buds Live in a color bronze. So I actually picked these up in different colors. So bronze, black, and also white. So stay tuned for those videos coming really soon and make sure to subscribe to the channel. So on the top it does say Samsung. We also have a nice picture of the actual Buds Live with the color bronze. And there you go. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. The box itself looks like a really cheap knockoff box that you get like on eBay for $2. The box itself feels really awful. Now on the side of the box, it does say Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So in the back of the box, you do have a couple of specs on these bad boys, so they're gonna be really comfortable as soon as you put them on. 6 to 21 hours of playtime. I don't know about that. Damn, man, that's a little bit of playtime. Next, we got true mics for clear call, and of course, active noise cancellation, which you actually have to download their app to actually get that feature to work. So now let's open this bad boy up. So I do have my knife. This is a huge knife. So let's open this up. Here we go. That's one side, and then one more over here, and we should be good to go. All right, so now let's open this bad boy up. So the first thing you're gonna see inside the box is your bronze charging case, which, to be completely honest, this charging case looks more like a rose gold rather than a bronze color. But as you can see, it does say Samsung Sound by AKG. There you go. And then on the back, nothing. On the side, of course, on the back, you do have your charging port, which is right there. And then at the front, you do have an LED, which I believe that's gonna be your indicator for your battery. I'm not too sure just yet, but pretty nice. It actually looks pretty cool, man. I actually do like the charging case a lot. And once we open this bad boy up, voila, there you go. You got your nuggets or your beans, Mexican beans. Now the next thing inside the box is your charging cable, and you also get some extra wingtips. And here we do have the charging case for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Let me just tell you guys, the charging case feels really premium in the hand, super high quality. So I definitely like this charging case a lot. So as soon as you close it, you do have an LED, which I believe that's your charging level on the earbuds themselves, which is cool. But overall, it actually looks pretty nice. You can see, I'm telling you guys, the quality on this charging case is really awesome. All right, so now let's take them out. So here we go. Oh my God, man, these feel like freaking beans, like jelly beans, like Mexican beans. Oh my God. Wow, these design is kind of weird, to be completely honest. So this is the right earbud. As you can see, we got this weird design going on. So this is the color bronze, and then the inside, of course, there you go. This is the right, like I stated, and then inside we got the left as well. Oh my God, man, these look freaking weird. So you can actually answer phone calls with these, make phone calls. And you can basically pause and play, skip a song, repeat the song, things like that, which is really cool. They look weird, but I don't know, they might look pretty good, man. They might look pretty good. So what I'm gonna do now is actually put them on for the first time. These feel freaking weird. I don't even know how to put them. Okay, I think I know. Okay, there's one. All right, what the, oh my God. Oh my God. They feel weird, but how do they look? Do they look good? Let me know, for real. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do they look good or do they look bad? And this how it looks like once you have them on and just looking straight to the camera. So you can't really tell that I actually have earbuds on unless I move to the side or to the other side. So there you have it, just a quick unboxing for you guys on the brand new Jelly Beans earbuds. No, wait, Samsung Galaxy Buds Live earbuds. Hopefully you guys enjoy this quick unboxing. Stay tuned. I also am going to be unboxing the black color and also the white color coming really soon. And stay tuned for my full review coming up soon in the next few days. And also a full comparison with other colors, letting you guys know which color to pick if you guys are interested on buying a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.